What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to get into some pre-bids, and I'm going to check out some of the stuff that's coming up for auction at IAA this week. So we're going to go through, and I'm going to set some bids, which will automatically add it to my list, and we're going to bid on some cars today. So let's go ahead and jump into it and check it out, and stay tuned. We'll have a video here in the next day or so for you guys, right here at the car show. Out here in Stratford. I think it's called the Peach Festival. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this now. Let's go ahead and bid on some cars, man, and then we'll see if we win anything this week. So let's jump right into it. All right, guys, we're gonna try this today. There's some live music and stuff in the background, but we're gonna try to get through today. We're gonna look at some of these different vehicles that are coming up for sale, and see what they're gonna go for, man. You know, see if we can get some good pre-bids in. And we got this Ford Mustang GT. Current bid is only $3,500. It is listed as a stationary because they can't start it. And it looks like it was a theft recovery with a lot of stripped parts off of the car. And then we have this Cadillac DTS. So I guess it's looks like it's just a hood and a grill. It doesn't look like it's anything too major to you know, get this thing knocked out. Doesn't look like anything too excessive, but you know, with these cars you always want to make sure that they got the head bolts and other things done to them. So yeah, we'll have to see here, man. We'll have to see. You know, drop a pre-bid on it, see if it'll go. $50, what can it hurt, right? $50? Nah, $75. Somebody else has already pre-bidded these up, or pre-bidded this Cadillac up anyways. I'll go to 125 and negative. So somebody's probably bid $400 or $500 on this, and it's not worth for me to really mess with, to be honest. It's kind of like a waste of time for me to bid, because it's not really something I'd want to do. It's not like I want to change the hood and stuff on this anyway. But yeah, we're at 175. Maybe one more, man. Maybe one more. 250. I'll go 250. Nah, I'm straight. Nope, not gonna waste any more time. Yeah, nope, screw it. That's ridiculous. We'll go on to the next one. All right, guys, next we have this 2018 Dodge Durango, but that is dealer only. So we're not going to waste our time with that. Let's see if we can find something else. All right, guys, so we have this 2000 Chevy Silverado. And looks like I got a big smash in the side on this one. And it doesn't look like it's a runner either. No. We'll keep it moving and see if we can find something else to try and bid on. I don't really want to waste my time or money on a lot of the other ones like that. Now this RV was weird, man. We watched this RV last week go for, I think, $850. And look, the pre-bid on it right now is $900. But I think they wanted something crazy like $5,500 or something like that for this, and it doesn't run. Now, I understand that it has the Airstream name and all that on it, but they're tripping balls if they think they're going to get that for it. They're just wanting too much money on this, man. Too much money for this land yacht. I mean, and look, it probably could be a cool reclamation or a cool like restoration project, but nah, man, they want $5,000 on the counter bid. You know, even if you win it at $900, they're not letting it go. they want to get like $5 grand out of this damn thing, and that's just ridiculous. All right, let's see what else we got popping up in here. And guys, if the music end up getting too crazy or they start playing some like real copyrighted music, I'll throw a music track here in the background, and you guys can still watch me bid. But I may have to cut the microphone off over what I'm doing. All right, we don't want to really look at a trailer that's all ripped up. I'm not trying to go scrap metaling today. Going for scrap metal. But let's see what else we got. Okay, so this is more my speed. BMW 3 Series 328. I've actually been looking very heavily on like Facebook Marketplace and a couple other places at some BMWs, because I think it's time for me to get back on Team Beam and start doing some more BMW content with you guys, which is where the channel actually started. So this 2000 isn't that serious. Looks like a hood, maybe front plastic, clean up the headlights, put some kidney grills in it, and keep it moving. And at 89,000 miles, this thing is exceptionally low miles for what it is. So we'll drop in a pre-bid on it and see if we can snatch it up one time. We'll take it up to 1,800. Oh, wow. All right, guys, and we're back in. That one was dealer only. Let's keep looking. And if you hear silence in between the parts of me bidding, guys, it's because I'm turning my microphone off and on. I want to make sure that, you know, we don't get a copyright slam. Oh, man. And the auction's actually pretty busy out here this week. There's a lot of lots. A lot of cars running through it this week for sure. We gotta find something I'll be interested in. Come on, man. It's not bad. Brand new Coleman little RV. That's not bad at all. All right. Now this little Dodge Ram 1500 doesn't look bad. I guess as long as we can see that it's actually running. If we can see that it's actually running, which it looks like it does have a running video. And this is the one thing I like about the IAA stuff. You can click on it and listen to it run, which we'll do now. Now I really enjoy that because then it lets you know, like, it kind of saves you time. If you don't go look at something, you can at least hear if does it have a lifter tap, does it have a rod knock, things like that, and it will get you past you know, some of the basic stuff of does a car run, and you can at least get that from the videos. Now this one right here though, 04 Silverado HD 2500. Pay me no mind. Let's see. Highly interested. Pre-bid's only at 25 bucks. Not a lot of miles. I don't know, man. I'll try to go a little higher on it. How about 350? Nah, man, I'm not gonna keep wasting time on it. I'm not. All right, guys, so there you have it. You can see we got some live bidding in today. Bidded. Yeah, great English. We bid on a few cars, and I think we're going to win a couple of them. I really do. I think we're going to win a few of them. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. We're fastly approaching 45,000 subscribers, and that's just a testament to you guys consistently pushing the automotive channel. Also, go check out the other channel, aka TK's Garage 2 or More with TK, as I'll be posting a lot more shorts and behind the scenes stuff on builds and, you know, rebuilds and stuff as we do them. And I think the Jaguar and some of the other stuff that you guys are going to see this week is going to be very, very interesting. Look at this 57 right here rolling. Rolling right up. Damn, man, that's beautiful. Wow. Anywho's, so again, thank you guys very much for watching today's video. You know, just some pre-bids. We're just getting in, seeing what they were going for, and I'm gonna have some cool videos for you guys out here at the auction. What else we got coming up this week? We got a Copart walk around coming up for you guys this week. We got we took the GTO to the paint shop and so much more. So anyways, we'll see you guys here soon.